How to delete a document on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete a document on Word Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Word and let's go back, and now just select here any document you want and then click on it, and now let's go back, click these 3 points and then click delete. And now all you need to do is just click this one, yes, and as you see the document has been deleted. And that's how to delete a document on Word Mobile, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.